Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to present about multimodal AI. This model helps AI system to understand both images and text together, just like humans use multiple sense. What is multimodal AI? Multimodal AI refers to AI system that can process multiple types of data. It can work with text, images, audio, and video. These different data types are called it modalities. Multimodal AI combines information from all modalities to understand context better. For example, an AI that analyzes an image and answer question using text. What are vision language models? Vision language models are type of multimodal AI. They combine computer vision for understanding image and natural language processing for understanding text. Uh, Vision language models can connect visual information and language meaning. They can describe images or answer question about them. For example, an AI that looks at an image and explains what is happening in the world. How vision language model works. First, the model extracts feature from an image. It processes text or a question. The model aligns visual and language information. It generates an accurate textual response or description. Example for image and question: what is happening in the image that AI can explain to the user. Popular vision language models. First is BLIP. Learns to connect images and text by understanding which image match which description. And second is BLIP, generate captions and answer question by jointly learning from image and text. And third is Flamingo, process images and videos together with text for complex visual reasoning tasks. And fourth is GPT-4 with Wizard, understand images and response to them using natural language and conversational way. Why multimodal AI is important? The humans understand the world using multiple sense. Multimodal AI mimics human perception. Benefits are more accurate AI system, better user interaction, real world understanding. Application of vision language model. First is healthcare for medical image analysis with reports. Second is e-commerce, image-based product search. And third is autonomous vehicles, understanding road sense. And fourth is education, visual learning assistance. And fifth is accessibility, helping visually impaired user. Challenges: it is a high computational cost, requires large data set for the training, and bias and image and text data, and complex model training. And to conclude, multimodal AI brings together vision and language, allowing AI system to understand different types of data together. And vision language model enable AI to see images and understand them using language, and these models are an important step towards building more intelligent and human like AI systems. Thank you.